Hey, what's going on, FBF family? Wagz here, and we are in Orlando, Florida. Actually, we're in Kissimmee, or somewhere in Florida. We're in Florida, okay? We're at a resort right now. We have the pool behind me. We're getting ready to go on an adventure today. We are heading to Bok Tower, which is about 1 hour and 7 minutes away. I don't know why I looked at my wrist, because like I had a watch. I even had my phone on me. Right now, it's 11 a.m. on Tuesday, so we're going to head there. Tomorrow, we might be doing Disney Springs, but the last couple days, we've been hanging out here, hanging out in the pool, hanging out in the tub. If you haven't seen my live stream on Wagz's channel on Twitch, definitely check it out. It was a lot of fun. And I'll see you guys when we reach to Bok Tower. See you in a sec. Hey, what's going on, guys? Wagz here, and we are here at Bok Tower over in Florida. I'm getting eaten alive, so I figured to do a little vlog as we're exploring the gardens. Don't know really much about the history, but it's like a wildlife preserve and plant preserve and everything like that. If you could tell by the montage, it's very, very beautiful. We're having a great time so far. The first 2 days in Florida, we spent it at our resort, where we just hung out in the hot tub, hang out by the pool, and just relaxed. Tomorrow, I believe we're going to Disney Springs, where we're going to explore the shops, downtown Disney, and all that. So right now we're just walking. You know, we're a little stir crazy in the house, so we decided to do some exploration. So that's what we're doing. And I'm sorry my voice sounds a little off today. My voice was going yesterday, and it's finally on its way out. So I'm going to do my best to commentate for you. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and check out some more of Bok Tower.
Landon, this way. We're all going this way.
Time out, guys. Hold up. 1 second. Just a brief moment of your time. Wagz here, and I gotta say, I need you to hit that subscribe button and make sure you leave it a like and make sure you hit that bell notification so it alerts you every time I upload. All right, guys? Now back to the video. Behind me is Pinewood Estates, which is a 20-room Mediterranean-style house. We can't go in it because it's unfortunately closed, but it's built in the 1930s for an Charles Austin Buck in the 1930s, like I said. Also, this is on a 7.5-acre estate. So if you look around, if you pan around everything, you can see everything that we're looking at, which is amazing. Unfortunately, it's closed. We can't go in, but it's still a beautiful house. So we're gonna go ahead and check out more of the Bok Gardens or Bok Tower. Probably next thing on the list is probably Bok Tower. See you soon. And we finally made it. Here it is, Bok Tower. This thing looks amazing. The medieval, like, Gothic style is crazy.
At least wave if you're gonna stare like that, child. Hi. You're still talking. I can't believe you. Can you hold it? Hey, little sissy baby.
Oh, there's little teeny fish in there. They probably eat them.
Yeah, the tiny
Bobby,
ones.
So Edwin Bok, born on October 9th, 1863, at Den Helder, the Netherlands, died within sight of this tower January 9th of 1930. At his request, his family placed his grave in the lawn in front of the great brass door. Coming to the United States, a poor immigrant boy of 6, he achieved success as a writer and editor. Late in life, has created sanctuary for a place of repose for the human spirit. Built the tower with the great correlation as its central ancient and presented them to the American people for visitation and his thanks for the success he had given. So those are the brass doors right there, and that's his grave. All right, so we just finished the walk around the park here at Bok Tower, and it was actually really nice. You know, we walked around for about a couple hours. There was a lot of stuff to see. You know, everyone's kind of just exhausted walking and everything like that. So let's go ahead and continue and see what else we get into today.